Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Krita on Windows 11. So in order to do this, first of all, you'll have to start your Windows 11 PC. Now, after starting, you'll have to navigate to any browser on your PC, or you can directly navigate to Microsoft Edge, that is the default browser on Windows 11. After navigating to the browser, go to the search bar and type in Krita Krita download and hit enter. Now after you get these search results, you'll be able to see that Krita is also available on Microsoft Store. It is also available on krita.org and Google Play. So you'll get Krita for this much on Microsoft Store, or you can just directly click on the link that says krita.org/en/download. So click on this download Krita link and you will see another page opening up. Now this page will be Krita's homepage. Here you can see you can download Krita 5.2.6 pretty easily. Click on this window installer button and this is instantly going to download Krita setup on your PC. So because we are using Windows 11, we have clicked on Windows download. Now you'll have to wait for this installation to get finished. Before that, you can see what's new on Krita by clicking on any one of these links or buttons or videos. You can scroll down and see the free learning resources for Krita by clicking on Getting Started. You have Drawing Assistant, User Manual, User Interface, Animation, Layer and Masks, Basic Concept and Tutorials. So you can see all the free learning resources on Krita's homepage. You can also click on Donate and donate to Krita if you want. Now after the download gets finished, you'll have to just navigate to your home screen and click on this Windows Explorer icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up your PC's directory. You'll have to click on the Downloads button on Windows 11. Now you will see a setup saying Krita x64.exe. Double click it and click on Yes. Then this is going to open up Krita's installer. So this is Krita's setup. It will unpack the data, so you'll have to wait while this setup is loading. After this gets finished, you'll have to click on this language button, choose a language for your Krita. So we have English and these two languages. Now click on OK and click on Next on this page. Click on I accept the terms of license and agreement. So check this box. You can read this agreement if you want. Now click on Next button. Here you can choose the destination folder for Krita's installation. Click on Browse and you'll be able to change the location where Krita gets installed on your PC by choosing any one of these directories. So I'll click on OK and click on Next. Now choose whether you want shell integration to be downloaded with Krita or not. Now click on Next and as you can see, you can select the Start menu folder in which you would like to create your program's shortcut. You can also enter a name to create a new folder. So my name will be Krita. I will click on Next. And on this page, it says confirm installation of Krita. You can choose whether you want to create a desktop icon or not. So click on this and this is the last step. Simply click on the install button here and your Krita's installation will be finished quickly. After the installation gets finished, you will see a new desktop icon appearing on your screen. Simply click that desktop icon and you'll be able to open up Krita on your PC. So click on install, wait for the installation to get finished, and we have successfully downloaded and installed Krita on our PC. That's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.